Do you have a ton of spinach you thought you'd eat, but you still haven't gotten around to it? Let's make some spinach pesto. We're going to use about a ½ pound of baby spinach. I don't know if I trust that it's actually baby spinach because it's actually pretty big, but it'll do. We're going to do about ½ pound, like I said, which is equals, let's see, maybe 6 handfuls. Dump it in there. Be careful though, you don't want to get cut by your ninja blade. I've decided that rather than adding my 3 cloves of garlic in whole, because they might not get broken up completely, to kind of chop them roughly into smaller bits in hopes that you will not end up with just huge things of garlic. I wouldn't normally use a paring knife for this, but that's what I had handy. So there we go. Now that we've got our spinach all jammed in here, I used a spoon so as not to cut myself on the blades, and we've got our garlic chopped up in a rough chop. We can start adding all of our other ingredients. We'll use about cup and a half of pine nuts. We'll use about a cup of grated cheese. I've got about an even mixture of Romano and Parmesan. I like Romano because it's a little bit less expensive, but the flavor of Parmesan is delicious too. You can use whatever you like, in whatever ratio. So we'll add that in. We'll add our wonderful garlic, give it a little zing. We're going to start by adding about a tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice and about a tablespoon of white vinegar. Then we've got our teaspoon or 2 of cayenne. You can add as much of this as you like. All depends on how much heat you like. Then we've got our, I think it's sea salt. Yeah, you can use kosher salt, sea salt, iodized salt, whatever you prefer. I like sea salt. And you want to add 4 healthy pinches, or 5, however many I did just then. Lovely. Now we're ready to blend this one up. Add maybe 2 tablespoons of olive oil to start, and we'll see how it goes from there. Beautiful. Add olive oil as you're going and keep on pulsing. So we're all blended up. As you saw, I added maybe another 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil while I was blending up this pesto. Let's give it a taste. Okay, this is one of those rare times that it ended up perfectly the first time. So, we're all done. And you've got, I don't know, wow, like 2 or 3 cups of delicious spinach pesto. This can be used on a cold pasta salad with a little extra olive oil. It can be used heated with some cream on a warm pasta. It can be spread on sandwiches. Literally, once you try this, you're going to want to put it on everything you eat. Hope you enjoy, and hope you get around to making this pretty soon.